Hey everyone, Brian here with DIY Outdoor Life. Today's video is going to be a short one. We have the Sweepstakes winner. I'm very excited about the person who left the Count Me In comment, who is going to win a free camp out with us this summer for the camper gathering in Hot Springs, North Carolina. I want to give you some updates on how that event is going and give you a few channel updates before we launch into the new season of DIY Outdoor Life. So in the last video, we talked about the Hot Springs gathering that we're doing, and we had a little sweepstakes to raffle off a winner. We have the same gathering. This will be the third year in a row that we're doing this in Hot Springs. We're camping out for several days. There's a lot of awesome people that are going to be there. I hope that you're able to attend with us. But as far as what we were raffling off, we have a large group site. It's really an amazing group site. It's along the river. Our event coordinator stays on one side of the group site, but all the way over on the other is a level area with electric and water. It's a great campsite. So we're raffling that off, as well as the 2 wrist bracelets, the entry with a +1. And we'll talk about that because I know people have questions on the Eventbrite. But the winner of this amazing several $100 prize is Susan M716. So Susan M716, I will reply to your comment, we'll exchange emails, and I will get you set up. So congratulations to Susan, but I want to give you an update on what's going on with this crazy booking that people are having trouble with. As far as the problem that people are having with the Eventbrite page, here is the short version of the story. Our event coordinator, Brian, does such an amazing job. He does this for a living. So using the Eventbrite page was this great opportunity to kind of shoulder the burden equally for the group expenses for our event. We have the big group site, we have a couple meals. There's a lot of money that goes into planning and executing this camp out. The problem is, maybe it was a little too official. The campground saw our Eventbrite page, and it kind of looked like we were putting on Woodstock or some Taylor Swift concert or something. And they contacted us with some concerns about how we're booking this and their insurance and a bunch of complicated stuff. So for the time being, the easiest thing to do was just drop the Eventbrite page. Just book your site and come hang out with us. And when we get there, maybe we'll do the old-fashioned way of passing the hat, because we want to make sure that Brian isn't, not this Brian, the other Brian isn't over contributing for our event. So thank you guys so much for watching. We have a ton of videos coming out, really exciting content on the channel. I hope you're excited about that. And congratulations, Susan. I will be reaching out. I hope to see you guys there. Thanks for tuning in. Ripple, come. Come here, pup.